Welcome back, everybody. We're up here in Colorado's high country, scouting for moose hunting, which is coming up in a couple of weeks. I have the Blackstone Adventure Ready cooking setup, and today we're gonna make wild Colorado chorizo street tacos. I dug deep in my freezer and I found the very last of last year's Colorado pronghorn chorizo. We make this ourselves, 80% wild game with 20% pork, avocado oil. Pronghorn chorizo down on the Blackstone. Fresh minced garlic. Brought all the ingredients pre-portioned from home, so it should be way easier. Nothing like cooking outside in the high country. We are up at about 9,500 to 10,000 feet right now. The meat and garlic are sizzling away. Black beans, I opened the can and drained them before we left the house. The chorizo is about 3/4 of the way done. We'll add the black beans to the chorizo. Easy peasy, just cooking up meat, garlic, and heating up the beans. I love, love, love the non-stick surface of these camp griddles. They are absolutely amazing. Literally like an ice skating rink. The sun is terrible, so be careful if you're gonna do this. Filming in the Rockies can present some issues, especially when you're filming alone, when you're self-filming. So we just had to carry the griddle over here against the truck. This should help to take care of some of my lighting issues. We were getting rain and clouds, and then it turned to 100% sun. I still love using these just like I do on the Griddle More tour. Let's get our tortillas ready. I like to put a little oil down before I toast my tortillas. From time to time, I'll grab the tequila lime, sprinkle a little bit in the oil, and toast my tortillas up in this madness. It appears that I have forgotten my tongs, so just be careful if you're ever gonna use your bare hands like I am. The tortillas look to be just about perfect. Set those aside on a paper towel. Looking good in the neighborhood. Let's turn the burners off. Grab my handy Blackstone taco racks. See if I can fit my Blackstone griddle cutting board on the griddle. That looks nice. Time to make the tacos. Load those up with my chorizo and garlic. Oh man. And I almost forgot black bean as well. Some queso fresco or cotija, whatever your favorite Mexican crumbling cheese is. Cilantro and onions. Prep these at home so we can have a good time and not worry about cutting up vegetables in the high country. I'm not a person that likes to prep stuff before I go out in the field camping, but I'm telling you what, this makes life so much easier. Gotta have that crema. It's of the utmost importance. It just looks good. It's the ultimate finishing touch. Back to the tequila lime. Perfect finishing touch and really nice contrast. And you know I'm keeping it real because if we didn't have the Cholula chili garlic, you would know there's an imposter afoot. Oh yeah. Take a look at that. One last look before we give it a try. Absolutely killer, so I appreciate you watching. And please leave me a comment, a thumbs up down below. I'm fighting and trying really hard to breathe life into my channel. But until next time, praise the Lord and pass
the tacos.
The tacos.